Hey, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel, Redline Mods. We're making another video with a couple of my friends with their Accord. They're showing up, but we just showed up, all right? And this is random, literally. Like, this Mercedes right here, I believe that's the girl that has it on her IG. I think she got all the colors and everything that shows it. It was a pretty dope Mercedes, this one. It's insane. I think it's on bags too. So I hope that's them, but it's a small world. I'm about to show you guys real quick. Make sure you guys tune in, subscribe, like, share, comment below if you really like my content and stuff like that. So stay tuned, keep watching. This is gonna be exciting. Guys, check this out. So it is her. It is her with the Mercedes here. That's sick. That's her Instagram right there. Make sure you guys follow her. And then we got my boy right here. That's his Instagram right there. It's Audi TTRS is sick with this wrap. Oh man, that's wide body right there, and the wheel setup is just insane. I think it's loud too. But yeah, check out the Mercedes in the front. Look at this thing, is aggressive. Gives you guys some nice shots, of course. So let's walk around real quick on this one. What you guys think about that? That's funny. Dude, this wing is perfect. Ooh-wee. It's the back right there. Super to the ground. It's aired. Well, obviously it's low to the ground right now. The airbags, that's the beauty of it. It's the interior. It's an Audi, of course. Got the red. What you guys want? Nope, he's gone. So what you guys want? You want that one or that one? Comment below. What would you want? But that's Law Accord right there. That's his white body kit done on his Accord. I like that gold contrast on his Accord right here in the black. It looks pretty dope. Look at the pros in there. That's that. Make sure you guys follow him as well. I'm gonna have a separate video coming up on this one. That's him right here. That's his IG. If you guys want to ask him some questions, DM him. Make sure you guys follow him. Right here, Law Accord in the back, windshield. Alright, so moving on. This guy's enjoying his chasing underglows everywhere. If you guys want it, I'll put the link in the description below for it. But that thing is crazy. Look at this. Super loud. Look at that wrap. I like the wrap, man. That thing is, yeah, it stands out. It's nice. What is it? You got something done to it? Yeah. What is it? Full build? Damn, it sounds like it. I'm like, what has he done, man? Wow, that's awesome. You're enjoying it. That's sick, bro. Yeah? I know, man. It's gonna get colder. Yeah, this thing is a full built motor right here. That's awesome. Look at that. Yep. Damn, this thing's a beast. So that's that. And look at these. I love wrap. Alright, we're waiting on my buddy right now. Alright, so we got hungry, so we decided to show up at Applebee's. That's hilarious. We're waiting on the rest. Alright, we just ordered this huge appetizer right there. What you ordered? What you got over there? Flaming Cheetos. Flaming Cheetos? Nice. That's new. Oh, damn, that's gonna be spicy. Alright.
The last second of the bus stop. Yo, boss, stop them. I didn't see you, Bob.
Alright, we're done with the food. We got that remote start.
Monkey.
Come on, that thing is loud. Yes. Get it a nice cold start. Well, not really. We've only been inside for like 30 minutes.
Yo, he come on, show us on the video.
Yeah, I got you on that.
It wasn't as loud.
Alright guys, enjoy. We gotta go out now. Peace out. I'll get you guys separate videos for these two. I got you.
It's your mom.
Alright, so here's the cold start for him.